are three key areas, in my opinion, that are either forgotten about or glossed over when enterprises look to transform AP. The first, in no particular order, is that enterprises really want to automate more of their workflow and approvals. The problem with only prioritizing workflow automation is that the challenges that AP teams face with that workflow are often due to or a result of poor data quality from the seller invoices being received on the front end of that process. But enterprises really need to focus on ways to engage sellers and help digitize those relationships so that digital invoicing becomes the standard and the priority. Just asking sellers to change the way they invoice and submit invoices digitally isn't always enough to help truly digitize those relationships. It's critical that enterprises understand that their digital transformation must offer value not only to their own business users, but also to their sellers. So too often enterprises are evaluating technology like supplier portals. Those portals are often built in a buyer-centric fashion, which actually forces sellers to join multiple portals, right, to transact with multiple customers. And not to mention that some or many of these solutions even charge sellers, diminishing the overall ROI and value offered to that group. So the moral here is really that enterprises should and need to evaluate solutions that offer optimal value and low cost, and in the case of Tradeshift, no cost, right, for sellers to maximize the impact of that digital transformation for the sellers. And then last but not least, enterprises can almost never just replicate their existing processes and workflows in a new AP automation solution. And too often, I see enterprises evaluate technologies that are hyper customizable, really to accommodate each and every unique workflow they currently have in place. And the reality is that digital transformation in AP, that implies actual transformation, right? Meaning that implementing a solution can actually allow an enterprise to review processes and workflows and actually determine how they can achieve maximum efficiencies, ROI, and higher rates of straight-through processing. So that evaluation of technology really has to come with a willingness and an openness to work smarter, right? And have that willingness to reevaluate as they're purchasing new technology.